Hi guys, so today in this video I'm going to show you how do you add a Spotify link to your Instagram bio. So first let's get the link. So go to your Spotify and just choose any link that you want to share on your bio. So just choose anything. So yep, just choose that. So what you have to do, just click on the share option here and then click on copy link. So click on copy link. So now you have already copied the link that you want to share. So that's done. Then just go to your Instagram, open your Instagram, go to your profile. So once you're on your profile, click on the edit profile option here. So click on that, and here under links, click on it. So all you have to do now is click on links and then just paste the link that we just copied. All right, that's the Spotify link. Alright, so once that's done, then all you have to do now is click on the blue tick over here, and that's it. Once you click it and done, your link is now added to your bio. So that's what pretty much it is. Hope this video is helpful. I'll see you guys in another video soon. Thank you.